Mastering fault diagnosis. Our maintenance team's inept fault diagnosis is crippling operational excellence. Which specific obstacles hindering the efficiency and effectiveness of our maintenance team's fault diagnosis processes are currently impeding their ability to achieve operational excellence? In the pursuit of operational excellence, the efficiency and effectiveness of fault diagnosis processes play a crucial role in maintaining optimal asset performance, reducing downtime, and minimizing costs. However, various obstacles can hinder the maintenance team's ability to achieve excellence in fault diagnosis. The following are specific obstacles that may be impeding the team's ability to achieve operational excellence. 1. Inadequate training and skills. The maintenance team may lack the necessary skills and training to effectively diagnose faults, leading to prolonged downtime and reduced asset availability. Insufficient knowledge of advanced diagnostic techniques, tools, and technologies can hinder the team's ability to accurately identify and rectify faults. 2. Inefficient data management. Poor data management practices can lead to disjointed and fragmented information, making it difficult for the maintenance team to access and analyze critical data in a timely manner. This can result in delayed fault diagnosis, extended downtime, and reduced productivity. 3. Inadequate diagnostic tools and equipment. Outdated or inadequate diagnostic tools and equipment can hinder the maintenance team's ability to accurately identify faults. This can lead to misdiagnosis, prolonged downtime, and increased costs. 4. Insufficient maintenance scheduling and planning. Inadequate scheduling and planning can lead to inefficient allocation of resources, resulting in extended downtime, reduced productivity, and increased costs. 5. Inadequate root cause analysis, RCA, and corrective action. Failure to conduct thorough RCA and implement corrective actions can lead to recurring faults, reduced asset reliability, and increased maintenance costs. 6. Lack of standardization and consistency. Inconsistent diagnostic procedures and lack of standardization can lead to variability in fault diagnosis, making it challenging to identify and rectify faults efficiently. 7. Inadequate communication and collaboration. Poor communication and collaboration among maintenance team members, engineers, and operators can lead to delayed fault diagnosis, misdiagnosis, and prolonged downtime. 8. Inadequate feedback mechanisms. Lack of feedback mechanisms can hinder the maintenance team's ability to identify areas for improvement, implement corrective actions, and optimize fault diagnosis processes. 9. Inadequate performance metrics and KPIs. Inadequate or poorly defined performance metrics and KPIs can make it challenging to measure the effectiveness of fault diagnosis processes, identify areas for improvement, and optimize resource allocation. 10. Resource constraints. Insufficient resources, including budget constraints, can limit the maintenance team's ability to invest in training, tools, and equipment, ultimately hindering their ability to achieve operational excellence in fault diagnosis. 11. Complexity of assets and systems. Increasing complexity of assets and systems can make it challenging for the maintenance team to diagnose faults efficiently, particularly in cases where multiple systems or assets are interconnected. 12. Aging infrastructure and legacy systems. Aging infrastructure and legacy systems can make it difficult for the maintenance team to diagnose faults, particularly when documentation and spare parts are scarce. By identifying and addressing these obstacles, maintenance teams can optimize their fault diagnosis processes, achieving operational excellence and minimizing downtime, costs, and productivity losses.